Hello friends, today we are going to learn warming up and chit chat of unit number 1.4 Miss Slippery for standard 8th subject English. Let's go start. First question, do you argue with your friends? Why? तुम्ही तुमच्या मित्राशी वाद घालता का? का? Answer, yes, sometimes I argue with my friends. I argue because we may have different opinions or we don't agree on something. Next question. Do you stop your arguments after some time or continue it for a long time? तुम्ही काही वेळाने वाद थांबवता का की तो दीर्घकाळ सुरू ठेवता? Answer. Usually I stop the arguments after some time. I don't like to fight for a long time. It is better to stay calm. Next question. Why do people quarrel, fight? लोक भांडण का करतात? Answer. People quarrel because of misunderstandings, anger, jealousy or different opinions. Next question. Do we forgive or punish our dear ones for their mistakes? आपण आपल्याला प्रिय असलेल्या लोकांना त्यांच्या चुका माफ करतो का की त्यांना शिक्षा देतो? Answer. We should forgive our dear ones because everyone makes mistakes. Forgiving keeps the relationship strong. Next question. What do you feel after a quarrel with dear ones? प्रिय व्यक्तींशी भांडण झाल्यावर तुम्हाला कसं वाटतं? Answer. I feel sad and upset after a quarrel, but later I feel happy when we say sorry and become friends again. Next question. First, think over the following and tick mark the proper option as per your choice. खालील गोष्टीचा विचार करा आणि तुमच्या आवडीनुसार योग्य पर्याय निवडा. A. Do your classmates tease, trouble and avoid you? तुम्हाला तुमचे वर्गमित्र चिडवतात, त्रास देतात किंवा टाळतात का? Answer. No. Next. Do you with your friends also tease, trouble or give names to any of your classmates? तुम्ही तुमच्या मित्रासोबत तुमच्या वर्गमित्रांना चिडवता, त्रास देता किंवा नावे ठेवता का? Answer. No. Next. How do you handle the teasing? तुम्ही छेडछाडीला कसे हाताळता? Answer. Ignore. Next. How do you handle yourself when punished in class? वर्गात शिक्षा झाल्यावर तुम्ही स्वतःला कसे हाताळता? Answer. Decide to change. Next. What is the best way to react when others trouble, insult you? जेव्हा इतर तुम्हाला त्रास देतात, अपमान करतात, तेव्हा प्रतिक्रिया देण्याचा सर्वोत्तम मार्ग कोणता आहे? Answer. Ignore them totally. Next question. Rewrite using proper punctuation marks and capital letters. योग्य विरामचिन्हे आणि कॅपिटल लेटरचा वापर करून वाक्य पुन्हा लिहा. First, Amar said, I could not complete my geography homework. Answer. Amar said, I could not complete my geography homework. Next, why did you go to Nagpur? Answer. Why did you go to Nagpur? Third, the President of India lives at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. Answer. The President of India lives at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. Next, what a loud explosion that was. Answer. What a loud explosion that was. Next, physics, chemistry, zoology and botany are branches of science. Answer. Physics, chemistry, zoology and botany are branches of science. Next question. Write in your own words what, according to you, is the best way to get rid of a negative bad quality in your friends. तुमच्या मते एखाद्या मित्राच्या वाईट सवयीपासून त्याला मुक्त करण्याचा सर्वोत्तम मार्ग कोणता आहे? Answer. The best way to help my friends get rid of a bad habit is to talk to him kindly. I will explain to him why the habit is not good. I will also encourage him to do good things. I will help him whenever he tries to change. I will support him and be patient with him. I will tell him the advantage of positive thinking and good habits. अशा प्रकारे आज विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण 1.4 मिस स्लिपरी या पाठाचे वॉर्मिंग अप व चिटचॅट अभ्यासलेला आहे. आय होप हा व्हिडिओ जर तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. पुन्हा भेटूया नवीन पाठासोबत. तोपर्यंत जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.